gusto kong putak.
Baka meron ka din yung pero after yan, ano, kung nag-ice ka pa, ice compress, sige lang, okay, yung sabi ng tension. Pero kung sa, yan, while na, kasi good for 1 week, ano lang, ice compress. Tapos after ng, ano, kasi nag-explode ako siya, yung matagal na, so pa 1 week. Parang, minsan ginagawa niya ice warm.
tubig na
Kasi para sa akin lang circulation.
galing sa gripo.
Oo. Ice compress din ako.
Thank you.
Sure.
Kabidyo.
Foul number 28. Gap. KJ, first one. Pasok for 1 point.
Hindi ba sumisigit? Sumigat ba? Bakit hindi na sumigat?
Sigat. Kamusta? Ha?
Mapound.
Ayos.
Ang sabot din.
Kaya pala panik ako dito malalaro.
Mr. Lupay. Ganda lang ito. Trash talking dapat may mga mic ng mga player. Number 21, looking for a receiver to my favorite player. It's a pizza without traveling. Traveling violation. And Nuyin, back. Number 11, back to Nuyin. Lane for 3. Nuyin, 3 points. Hindi naman ang Nuyin. Ikaw talaga. My favorite player, Pinasa. Hey, 77, Bumeke. same spot, same violation. Don't go that spot, that's a traveling violation zone. Madulas, madulas. Simon, taking the ball, looking more on the receiver. Pass to Noyen, yung Meke, pumasa, ayun, masyado mataas. It's a bit too high. Kapampangan eh. It's a bit too high for God to receive the Aldo pass. 7-7 to KJ, back to KJ. It's still by over 44. One handle layup for 2 points. Andrew. Lopo 77, Pumeke, umikot, Pumeke ulit, pinasa. Uy, ganda, pinaway ka na. Tayo sa, ay, sayang. Oh, 6 spot, tanara. Basket, 21 for 2 points. Simon Gibido goes into attack. Noyan Pumeke, oh, Pumeke ulit. Ang ganda ng step, wala pang 3 seconds, wala pa. Game ball, got up. Lupo running shot. Rebound is Simon. Simon goes to Noyan. Back to Simon. Simon Pumeke ulit. Ay, pataas ulit. There's a whistle. Outside. Violation by Black Team. JM. To Andrew, itong nagawa. Tartalan again. Sa spot. Andrew. Binisyo ka na ang shot. 15-7. Okay, 40, wala na yung malayo. Ang rebound, ayan na, umakataka na, 5-on-5 situation. Tumatawa, nakuha ka ka, basa ka Noyen. Noyen, kinaliwa, for 2 points. Help!
Hindi ka marunong. Layup ka ba? Ito mo,
Nag-layup ako pag warm up.
17-7.
Nung galing yung layup mo.
Magpapalit kasi. Sige, maganda! Sige, 14. Simon, Noyen. Lumabas. Nakatawa ni JM. Nakatawa na. Ay, sayang. Hold the ball. Tali-tali mo na kasi. Twenty-one yung bounding. 2 Andrew. Come out. Ayun na, sinyan. 77. 3 points. Simon, pass to Noyen. Ang ganda ng ball handling. Umikot. May foul si number 9 foul. Time out. Asphalt.
Inayos ko na ngayon.
19-11. Favor of the dark team. Anong meron dyan? Doritos. This timeout is brought to you by Doritos Chili Midway. Okay, back to the ball game.
Pag nag-off siya, mawawala ka ng which is, ano naman. Sige, tapos makapapagod ka pang.
Pa naman yun.
Justin, the bottom like that. Back to Justin. May pumito, there's a trouble. Trouble ba yung isa? Wala ba kung sasabi sa mga asphalt? Ay, nila yan. O, sige. Second half na lang daw kayo magpasap. Guzman, Pumeke, pinasabay under my favorite player. Pinalik kay Guzman. Bebe! Tayo, ano po yung ulo, galaw. Boom! Pinoy step back down, may results. Nevertheless, 2 points counted. Number 8, basket. Sabi na, bumalik ko ng bola. Nakakahiya sa inyo. Ayaw na niya. Uy, baba. May nakaano doon, ambulance na may standby doon. O, sige. Substitution, sige. Okay, follow shot. Ayun na yung pang-iponis. Thank you for the blue. Thank you very much. We'll boom later. Follow shot. Pasok. Piso. Score. And the next score went 2-2 against 1-1. Time left, 6 minutes, 52 seconds. Ang ganda ng depensa ni Victor, palinito ka doon. Andrew, 2-19, taking, Financer. Ayun, sa side, ang ganda ng setup, wala. Lubang by Victor. Justin passes. Pass by, nagmamadali. Ay, pusa daw. Wrong passes. By passes. There's no justice on that justice pass. Andrew, to play without the number. Oh, number 23. It's a bit short. Ano ba yan? Agawan mo. Ay, ano yun? Dinagdagan sa laki ng katawan. 1-2 points.
Extra rice.
He's a big boy. That's a big boy foul.
Extra rice.
Okay, substitution. Asphalt substitution. Ilan ba kayo? 3 in, 3 out. You decide among yourselves. Ayan na si LeBron James. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Lima ba sila? Nakadance sila. Baka malalo tayo. Wala bang light sa Camacho? Light uniform. Passes to Ash. Nice layup. Wala. Rebound by tatlong player sa same team. Mr. Camacho, last minute pass. 2 minutes around. Ayun, ang ganda ng pass. Forward 2 points. Dapat kanina ang pagpinasok yun eh. Score 24-13. As attacking the hoop. Nice. Ay, sayang. Good point. As the big one. Big one po sila. Wala. You have a whistle. Violation.
Ma'am, kaya ako saan?
Buhaya.
Yan mga turo mo kasi.
Sabi ko nga.
Camacho, with the ball. Shooter yan. Guard height yan. Shoot na. Pasok na ng twin. Traveling again. I told you that zone is a traveling zone. With the ball on the other side.
Ang turuan mo kasi mamasa. Turo mo, tinira na eh.
Justin. Ay, number 1, missile traveling. Dami ng traveling violation ah. Boys, kakain na ba? Mag-usay. Camacho. Dribbling the ball. Kung hari-hari. Umatake ang pass to Camacho. Wala, iwan by boom. Pinadali, iwan ng Camacho. Ayan, ang ganda. Camacho 2 points. Naka 4 points na yan ha.
Panigdaan dito, balibasan. Dito camera eh. Oh.
Bubo, ayan. Naku, ay, nag-hesitation. Wala silitig, wala silitig. Time, 3 minutes. Camacho, back to the ball. Good defense from Ash. Side throw.
Palagi kaya ka night eh.
Camacho to Harry. Harry, ang ganda. Harry shot. Wala, sayang. Ayan ang passes. Harry. Ang ganda. Ginamitan ng katuwang.
Kasi stick mo meron.
He passes the defense 100% using his body and his age as a veteran player.
Hindi naman nga.
Harry! Harry! Tandila Harry!
Pamimigay yung mga over.
Harry! Tandila Harry! Take your time! We have 2 minutes left. Passing to Anton ang ganda ng pasa. Ang shot, si Boom using his white body of joy. Okay, substitution. Sila. J.R. Sab. Guzman in. Bilis. Magandang-technical kayo. Nagreklamo na yung coach. Camacho, dribbling the ball. Ang ganda ng ay, ang ganda. Klaro. That's a good set. Boom, tumas. We have a whistle. Number 8, foul. 3-pin foul. Second personal foul. Second personal foul. Third pin foul. Boom. Ang ganda ng galaw. 28-15. Camacho.
Kaya playing ka.
Okay, January.
Yun na lang eh.
Good defense for pass. Time left, 1 minute, 41 seconds. Baseline, foul, inbound. Out, Pumeke, umatake, Camacho, sayang, wala. Rebound by Victor. Ayun! Ashton is out. Good recognition by Justin. It is Dalaya, but he's been fouled, so he have an opportunity to score 2 points. Si Balisa ba yun? Si Mr. Balisa? Balisa defense. First try, no good.
Si Vincent nasa amin sila.
Nag-try, shot. Ito, sure na yan. Ang ganda ng katawan ng Bangsaw ni Camacho. Kailangan ng talangan. Second lang.
Nice.
Ayos! Ano, volleyball? Volleyball siya. On number 1. 15-30. Camacho to Raul Pumenya, sunod wala. Kinapik ni passes to Ash. Ang ganda para American football. Touchdown. Ash, 2 points. 40 seconds remaining sa ating first half. Camacho to number 23. Camacho, Raul Sagre, ayun. Mr. Balisado, Mr. Bansa, 2 points. Jaden. Victor. 2 points. 15 seconds. Foul niya. Pwede ka ng foul. Running player, wala. 17-34 favor of the Red Hill team.
professional kasi. Ano yung prone sa injury pag professional? Basta, Glenn. Basta. Ano naman?
Nag-apply na.
Okay na sa akin.
Bakit ka sa akin? Bakit? Dahil meron akong komisyon o nabayaran na. Lumapit ka sa akin. Sige, bakla. Basta. Basta. Bilang dapat na, hindi pa ako na
That's a match. Good game, bro. Good game, man. Kuya, ako naman tubig.
Yo, Yahweh. Ato, ito na mo na. Gagawin ni Simon. Simon, tatlo. Nakuha ka. Pinasa kay Mr. Uber. Yan ang basketball. Share the ball. Pass the ball. Judy, Monga. Sebo. Andrew to 33. Balik kay Andrew pumeke. Another skill. Or someone, ipapasok mo ba ulit? No. He said, I'll take this. I will score these 2 points. David Sabandi. Bradua, kumatake, wala nagawa. Boom, Pinoy. No, mag-isa. This one is out. 2 points again. Straight 6 points from Team Red Bull. Ayun, nice pass. Ay, wala, sayang. Andrew, you got this ball, lost ball. Oh, now it's official. Whose ball was it? Same ball. It's the same ball. Same ball, same team. Nagulat man siya sa'yo, sabi ni Simon, wow! Wow! Pinoy step! Backhand step! Boom, boom, Tunoy for 2 points again. Lahat ng score ng every warm-up pathway. They're doing a good time defense. Ay, ang ganda ng pasa. Malas yung favorite player ng Mera. Noel, tubo. nagmamadali, umatake for 2 points. Bamba. Oh, bumangga sa block. Number 8.
Manakot lang.
Number 8, foul. He bumped into a stone wall. Traveling violation. This is cha-cha-cha from our lady referee.
Niloko si Ian. Buo ka ng team mo para pasok mo si Ian.
Ayun na, walang foul. Nagdinig ko yung kape. Favorite player ko, ay!
Dapat kontrolado nga siya.
Foul, number 11. 11, thank you, Web. Substitution. Sino?
Pero okay lang, wala yung
Brother, subbing the brother.
Ito, tubig nyo na.
Number 9. To JM Mukot, pinasa kay Andrew. To number 33. Number 23, back to JM. JM attacking the ball. Blam. 11 again. Nakapipit na naman ng lagong foul. Silser, 11. Move out. Substitution. Number 1 in. Si Jamola may radiation symbol. Mr. Radioactive, number 1 in. 33, pasok sa gilid. Naku, ay, ang ganda ng tulak. Ang ganda ng tulak. Kita-kita dito. Pushing foul, number 45. Kita-kita yan. Pag magtuto lang sa kamay lang. Baseline violation. Walk. Sabi na walk. Baseline violation. Time left. 10 minutes, 51 seconds. Ay, ang ganda ng inbound play. Wala pa rin. Simon. Jamola, Mr. Radioactive. Gabto, ang ganda ng pasa to Jonathan for 2 points. Andrew, to 33. Sabi na siya. Back to Andrew, Montante. Nawala ng kawan ni Ash. Oh, apat sila. Apat against 0. Oh, isa pa. Mag-foul ko yung pamilya ko. Isa ka.
Coach, pasok na!
You turn over the ball. On the dead ball, we're going to have substitution. Bang, 21 for 2 points. Ash, in a hurry. Looking for guards. Ayun, bounce pass. I told you for 2 points. Eye-to-eye contact between the two players. Nagtindatan. Pag nagtindatan na yan.
Papagod kasi.
Number 9, picking 3. Ganda. Number 9.